Hello everyone, welcome to TDI Digital and welcome to my CapCut beginner course. If you are completely new to CapCut, you are in the right place and at the right time. I'm going to take you from the basics and gradually teach you how to edit professional looking video. You'll be learning a lot in this course. One is that you need to understand CapCut from beginning, the various tools that are used in CapCut for creating video, the home screen, and at the same time the editing interface and the tools bar. A lot will be taught in the course of the training. The first question we need to ask ourselves before we dive into the training or into the application proper is this: what is CapCut? What is CapCut? CapCut is a video editing application used to create YouTube videos, Facebook Reels, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, product advertisement, tutorial videos. In fact, CapCut is used for creating videos. Just have it at the back of your mind that CapCut is application for creating video. Now you know that CapCut is application for creating video. What are we going to learn in the course of using the application to create the video? Yes, that's a very good thing, very good question if it's in your mind. But first thing we are going to learn is that we are going to learn about the CapCut interface. Understanding CapCut interface is very key. Every buttons in CapCut application, what are they meant for? What are they used for? And how are we going to use them? We are going to learn all that. We are going to learn how to create a new project, import videos and pictures. We are also going to learn about aspect ratio, timeline, how it works. Timeline, what is timeline meant for? How is timeline used, or how does it work? Cut, split, trim and delete, what are they meant for? How are they being used? Another is add text and caption. Where will I find a button to add text? How will I add caption to my video? Add music. Oh, how can I add music to my video? Add sound effect. Oh, which button will I press for me to be able to add sound effects? Transition. Wow, I want to transit from this scene to this scene. How do I need to do it? That's transition. We will teach you all that. Oh, keyframe. Wow. Oh, I want to create a keyframe. How do I create a keyframe? I want my logo, I want my picture to be moving around the screen, and I was told it is keyframe they use. Wow, there's no problem. How is that going to be done using this application? If that is what is in your mind, just sit down. Don't worry, continue listening and watching this video. You understand and know how to use all these tools when the training begins proper in our next lesson. Another thing is background. Oh, I want to use this background for my video. How can that be done? We'll teach you. Don't worry about that. Oh, I've heard of green screen, and at the same time I have the what we call chroma key. What's the difference between green screen and chroma key? Oh, I need to know. How is chroma key being used? We will teach you all this. Voice over. I used to see video, this one will be talking, that one will be talking. Voice over, don't worry. How did this person put this sound in this video? We will teach you all that. It's not hard, it's very simple as what? ABC. Oh, this sound effect. I want this sound effect to be on my video. How do I do that? Oh, there's this thing they call auto caption. Please, I don't understand. What is auto caption? How do I apply it on my video? Don't worry, sit down, watch this video till the end. You understand, and not only understanding it, you know where all these buttons are located, and not only that, you know how to apply these buttons in all your what? All your video. Masking. What is masking? Masking. Which one still be masking? Don't worry. Masking is a simple thing you can do by yourself when you know the techniques behind it, or when you know the techniques. After knowing the techniques, what do? You apply the techniques, and that's all. Now export. Wow, I've created a video. Now I know how to use all these tools, all this animation, effect, keyframe and the rest, add text. I know how to use them now. I've created a video. Fine, good and sound, that's wonderful. I've created a video. I want to export my video. I want my video to be on my gallery. How do I do that? By using the export key or export icon. Don't worry, export is the right button to press for you to get that done. We'll teach you all that we have mentioned in this very particular lesson. All you need to do is that sit down, watch the video from beginning to the end, and when I upload next video, in fact, not just watch, click subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that when I upload next video, you'll be the first person to do what? To receive the notification. Then you now ask yourself, we used to see a lot of professional videos on the internet. How do I get them done by myself without paying professional editors to help me create professional videos? That is why this course is for you. So sit down, watch the video over and over again. If you don't understand, watch from beginning to the end. And if you have any question, put down your question at the comment section. Answer will be given to your questions. Sit back and wait for the next video when it's uploaded. Thank you. God bless you. Once again, this is TDI Digital. I'm going to take you from a beginner level to a professional level while using this application called what? CapCut. Thank you for watching. Sit back and wait for the next video. Bye.